Our company, Sri Sathya Sai Tourist, started in 1968, and we have all brands of vehicle. We are supplying our vehicles for over 40 multinational companies, and in fact our oldest customer is Mr. Otis Elevators. We are also supplying vehicles for this schools and educational institutions. And I am happy to say that among all the brands what we have, recently we bought 50 numbers of vehicles for our one school in one lot, and later of course we added another about 50 vehicles. Now in that the maximum we bought Eicher vehicles. That was about 3 years back, and those vehicles are your Eicher brand etc., and it's doing very well and has been liked by the school which we are operating. In fact, after we supplied those vehicles, many schools said that okay, we are fine, we got a good feedback from the school and we would like to have the same vehicles. We also proactively gave them the door closures and some warning lights etc., so that the children are safe, which we want them to be very comfortable when they travel. And recently, just about 8-9 months back, we bought another 6 Eicher buses of Starline. That is which we are operating for the Otis Elevators. In fact, their requirement was not a new vehicle. They said okay, you can replace with any vehicles, but proactively we thought we should give the vehicles, and particularly this set of vehicles, we are extremely happy because they are giving a very good mileage. In fact, our manager maintenance was recommending these vehicles since it is giving nearly 7 in the city, 7 kilometers per kilometer, whereas other brands are definitely it's around 5, 5.25 etc., and 5.5 max. But this set of Eicher vehicles is giving a good mileage, and even the clients are very happy with these vehicles. We propose to add few more vehicles of Eicher. We also took the feedback from our drivers, how the comfort of driving different types of vehicles, starting from Leyland, Tata or Mazda or the Eicher etc. vehicles, and we got a feedback that the comfort of Eicher is quite good and the view is very nice. Even the side, they have given one panel wherein they can know which vehicle is coming from the side etc. So this has added. In fact, we wanted certain changes to be made in the vehicle, which Eicher, they are very proactive. They made all the details and they have given the vehicles to us, and it's operating. One more advantage what we feel with the Eicher is that since the maintenance is once in 50,000 kilometers, we need to change oil etc., so that our trips or the stoppage of the vehicles for the maintenance is quite less. So that's how the vehicle utilization is more. We don't need to really wait for the vehicle to go frequently, whereas it can be operating continuously for quite a length of time. Particularly in the school segment, the coverage is very low, maybe 60-70 kilometers. So that way, for quite a length of time, the vehicle can operate without the maintenance or stoppage of the vehicles. The breakdown level is quite low I would say, and even if there is anything, immediately our PSN will press into service and those vehicles will be put on road. I would say I'm extremely happy with the operation what we are doing with this Eicher.